When constructing this building, we need the following tools and aids. On the leveled grid, we place the floor tiles based on their numbers. The connection is made by overlapping, and the attachment to the beams is made with 6 by 100 mm screws, while the individual parts are joined with 6 by 40 mm screws. The anchoring distance is approximately 40 centimeters. Then we start erecting the wall panels. First, we create the corner and proceed according to the individual numbers. The corner joint is anchored with 6 by 100 mm screws, while the lengthwise overlapping is made with 6 by 40 mm screws. We mark the positions of the inner walls according to the drawing and anchor them in the same way as the other walls. We anchor the walls to the floor using perforated sheets or angle pieces. Then we insert the ceiling beams into the prepared notches and anchor them to the walls. The last thing to be done is the roof panels, which we will gradually align with the walls and anchor to each other. The connection principle is the same as for the floor. Now the basic structure is ready.